Are these 10 big mistakes putting your life at risk on two wheels? In this video, we'll dive into common mistakes even experienced motorcycle riders make when riding in the rain, and how you can ride smarter, safer, and better in 2025. Hello everyone, I'm Instructor Cory, and I've had the privilege of teaching thousands of riders how to stay safe on the road. Today, I'll share the top 10 mistakes that could be jeopardizing your safety, and most importantly, how to avoid them. If you recognize any of these habits, be sure to like this video and drop a comment to help spread awareness and keep riders safe. Number one, not looking far enough ahead. In rain, visibility and reaction time are reduced. Scanning the road ahead for hazards becomes even more critical to avoid sudden braking or sharp maneuvers. Number two, skipping protective gear. Wet conditions make accidents more likely, so wearing proper gear like waterproof helmets and jackets is crucial. Gloves with good grip and sturdy boots also help maintain control. Number three, neglecting maintenance. Worn tires and faulty brakes are even riskier on slippery roads. Check your motorcycle's condition, especially its tires, before heading out in the rain. Number four, overconfidence in skills. Rain makes the road unpredictable. Overestimating your abilities can lead to unnecessary risks, like riding at high speeds or taking sharp turns. Number five, riding distracted. Distractions like adjusting your GPS or daydreaming are especially dangerous in wet conditions when full concentration is needed to manage reduced traction and visibility. Needless to say, riding in the rain demands extra caution and preparation. What do you think? Do you recognize yourself in any of these mistakes so far? If so, then hit that like button. And if not, don't worry, because we've got 5 more big mistakes coming right up. Number 6, failing to adjust tire pressure. Not lowering tire pressure slightly for rain riding can reduce grip on the road. Always ensure your tires are adjusted according to the manufacturer's recommendations for wet conditions. A little less tire pressure equals a little more traction. Number 7, sudden or aggressive braking. Hard braking in wet conditions can lead to skidding. Instead, practice smooth, gradual braking and use both front and rear brakes to maintain control. Number 8, riding in the wrong lane position. Staying in the center of the lane can be dangerous, as this is where oil buildup often accumulates in the rain. Instead, try riding in the left or right position or in the tire tracks of other vehicles where the traction could be better. Number 9, ignoring wet weather visibility challenges. Failing to clean your visor or wearing gear with poor visibility can make you less noticeable to other drivers. Make sure and use anti-fog treatments and wear brightly colored or reflective gear, especially when riding in the rain. Number 10, overlooking puddles and standing water. Riding through puddles at speed can cause hydroplaning or hide hazards like potholes. Slow down and avoid riding through standing water whenever possible. Also, make sure you avoid any of those shiny surfaces if you can. Wet and shiny equals slick. So there you go. There's 10 common mistakes that tons of motorcycle riders are making in the rain, and how you can avoid them. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and leave a comment sharing your thoughts or experiences. Your input could help raise awareness and make our riding community safer. And if you know someone who could benefit from these insights, be sure to share this video with them. Together, we can make a difference and keep everyone safer on two wheels. But what if you feel like you're not making any of these mistakes, but there's some other maintenance related issues that you're encountering on your motorcycle? Well, then watch this video next for 10 essential motorcycle maintenance tips for a safe ride.